So when you first walk into my room, this is what you see. Going to start at my desk. I just have my computer here. I have my brushes, my lipsticks, I have my Starbucks coffee, my mirror, which is from Marshall's, this container with my makeup in it. Yeah, nothing too special. Moving to this shelf, I just have my books here for some of my classes, and all of these pink things you see here are from Amazon. I have this letter organizer that I just use to hold my note cards, my staples. So then I just have my lens cap, my headphones, my earrings, this cute little butterfly thing that I got from Marshall's that holds my earrings, my pencils and scissors, my note cards again, which this is really a post-it note thing, but I just use it to hold note cards, my gold stapler that I got from Amazon, and a box of tissues. And up here I have some decor. I have this K from Marshall's, this picture of me and my mom, the frame is from Marshall's, and like it does like glitter, which is super cute. So yeah, it's like heavy. Okay, then I have these flowers that my friend gave me. I have this goal for Halloween. Even though Halloween's over, but I still have it. I have my girl power sign. Let me turn on. That I have my light up box. This was in my room at home, and I just brought it here because it's cute. Then I have my books and stuff in here, and that's basically my desk, like this area. And in here I just have some items, 3 books, Starbucks gift card, glasses case, and this camera charger, you know, just like supplies, everything that I'll need. I have like a whole bunch of stuff. I have makeup wipes, vitamins, ointments, you know. This is my face cleanser, shea butter, face moisturizer, coconut oil. This is a face mask. Then I have like my razors, Q-tips, cotton pads. I have alcohol, no, peroxide right there. And I have like all my medications and things for if I get sick in here. It looks cluttered, but I promise there's like organization to it. I mean, the drawer's pretty small, so I have to kind of fit everything in here. Then okay, my chair's in the way. Here I have hair products, so all my Shea Moisture stuff, all my combs, clips, shampoo and conditioner, my earrings, more earrings, my head scarves and my spray bottle, my gels, and then I have some sanitizers and what are these things called? What are these called? Wallflowers in here. And then down here is where I keep like extra stuff. I have extra notebooks, extra planner, some books, expo markers, chalk for my chalkboard, flashlight, box for my headphones, my old iPhone case, my iPhone box. And I have my headphones, my Fitbits, and other cords down here. Then I have my closet, which is pretty messy, but it's okay. It's a small space for all my clothes, so yeah. And I just have my towels hanging up on the door. Then up here I have my shower shoes, my shower caddy, my clothes basket, and an extra blanket. Oh gosh, I feel like I'm going super fast. So to start off, I have this like white throw, fuzzy throw from JCPenney. I have this LAX picture here on top of my bed from Amazon. The frame is from Amazon as well. I have pictures of my family up here. They The lights are from Amazon. Then I just got the pictures printed out from Walgreens. My bedspread is from Target. The pillows, I just got these shams and put them over some pillows. The pillows are from Walmart. And then the pillow covers are from Amazon as well. This light is from Target as well. So yeah, I have my stool here to step onto my bed because my bed is half lofted. Then my rug, I believe, is from Amazon. And up under here, under my bed, I just have storage. So I have 2 storage containers. I have my makeup bags. I have all the stuff to do my laundry and extra paper towels. I have my tripod. I have a storage container for like my tampons and sheets and other laundry stuff. And then I have a rack back there so I can hang like my bras and stuff. Then I have extra pairs of shoes that I couldn't fit in my other areas. And then up under here, hold on. Up under here is my dresser, and I won't go into that because it's very unorganized. And then here, this is where the fridge and microwave and all that extra stuff is. I have a care package, case of water, more storage for like snacks and stuff, the refrigerator, the microwave, and just like extra supplies, glass cleaner, hand sanitizer, paper towels, bowls, and extra stuff like that. And then right here I have our mirror. This is actually my mirror, but I brought it so we could share. The trash cans, and then my umbrella. I also have printer paper and like all my wires and stuff, and a wallflower going. So